Good morning, miners. This is the Viper Miner channel, and today I wanted to do a short video just looking at BTC and ETH. Like I said in other videos, I trade professionally, and I use Fibonacci's a lot in my trading. It's served me very well over the years, and I trade Fibonacci's different than most people who see Fibonacci's. You'll notice my Fibonacci's are color coded and slightly different in which way the direction is going for the 618, the 50, and the 38. Now that's because I had a really good mentor who kind of showed me exactly what the secret is to Fibonacci's in the stock market, Forex, futures. So right now I got a BTC chart up and running. Critical state. So you'll see two Fibonacci's here on the screen. You'll see though from the low to this wave right here. So real quick, if no one's real familiar with the Fibonacci's, you got A is the starting point, B is the top, or in reverse it'd be AB downward, but we're going upward because we're in an upward trend in the BTC. So then we're looking for the C wave, which would be right here. So this is the lowest point before it started moving back up again. So here's our C. We go up, and we're looking to break. Our target is $68,108. And we broke that target right here at 69,355. Right, so that starts a new wave. So this Fibonacci is no longer in play. This is the Fibonacci now that's in play. So we're going from our A down here to our B, and we're looking for our C, right? We haven't stopped coming down. We haven't made a lower high or a low yet. So we are right here. When we cross this line, this A line, we are reversing direction, right? And we are touching that line today. So any more down movement beyond that, we have broken the Fibonacci. Breaking the Fibonacci would be very bad for us right now. That would kind of signal that we might be moving into a serious bear market. So I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention. Even if you wanted to draw a simple trend line, give you kind of an idea what's going on. I want my chart here. I'm right on the edge. All right, so if you look at that trend line, we are definitely going down, and we're moving down. You can actually technically do a inner sub. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. You can actually do an inner sub trend line like that, a little more higher angle, and you'll see that we are accelerating down. Our volume has been pretty steady across the board. Our MACD is definitely crossed, and our open interest and our IV rank is moving downward. We're below the 25 percentile here. This is very after today's action. Now, if we turn around and we look at ETC, or ETH, not ETC. I was just looking at that classic earlier today. We have a very similar, but now remember, Bitcoin's been on the futures market for a much longer period than Ether has. So we have less data. Fibonacci's like lots of data. So, but we have this very similar chart here. We're going up, A to B, close here. Right, so this is kind of our C, which is a 8.6. So our target should be this green line here. We miss the target, right? So really, right there, we missed our target. So we didn't hit target, and then we started pursuing and go down. So we actually started making lower highs. Not a good sign, okay? And looks like we're trying to go This is a pretty significant pullback after missing target. So very cautious here as well. This is not financial advice, so please don't take my word. Go talk to your own broker. And this is just for, but I am very, very concerned, and I am looking to kind of make sure that my rigs are very efficient, because I think we are getting ready to go into a slight bear market. Now, I know a lot of people, when I talk to other miners and I talk to other crypto enthusiasts, they all say, "Hey, what's going on in the economy? What's going on in the world? That's why crypto was invented," right? And I totally agree with that. But you have to remember now, the stock market. So it's in mainstream. Hedge funds own it, mutual funds own it, individual traders own it. And when it started getting mass adoption, when you start looking at like Robinhood and make different platforms that make it very easy for individual traders to start owning, using DeFi, it and the rules in the market itself. So this is something to be, just keep an eye out, and hopefully we will have a turnaround. I mean, I'd love to see ETH and Bitcoin to start moving back towards its high again, but I think we may be looking at a correction, a little bit stronger correction, and corrections are good. So in my experience, that every time we have a good solid correction, we have a good solid up run again. All right, this is it. Have a wonderful day and be safe.